It's 42 seconds on the way up. This elevator moves at 10 miles per hour. I'll be taking you 520 feet in the air to the observation deck, where you'll have a good view of the Seattle area from ground to spire. The total height of the Space Needle 605 feet. If you look out that left side, you'll be able to see the Puget Sound and all the ships coming in and out of Elliott Bay. You'll also see down below on that left side, Climate Pledge Arena, home of the Seattle Kraken and Seattle Storm. The neighborhood on the hill in front is Queen Anne. And over on this right side, you'll be able to see Lake Union. At the top, you'll be able to walk around as long as you like. You can also go down the stairs to the revolving glass floor. That's where we'll pick you up when you're ready to exit. Watch your step on the way out and hope you guys have a good time.
I will hear these off.
No problem.
I think the old just taking it out there.
I'm gonna watch the doors close. And once everybody's off. There's good. There we go. Oh, they're going in. There it goes. And that's it.
You can stand up to the glass right here if you'd like. It's 42 seconds on the way down. If you look over on that left side, you'll be able to see the Puget Sound and all the ships coming in and out of Elliott Bay. Also down below on that left side is Climate Pledge Arena, home of the Seattle Kraken and Seattle Storm. The neighborhood on the hill in front is Queen Anne. Over on this right side, you'll be able to see Lake Union. Also down below on the right side, you'll be able to see the Museum of Pop Culture. They have exhibits on music, movies, and TV shows, stuff like Jimi Hendrix and Nirvana, science fiction, animation, so many things I could be listing off all day long. And on that left side, you'll also be able to see Holy Garden in Glass. They have a deal where you can use your tickets to get $10 off once you're done here. They have a garden in a lot of glass. Dropping you guys off in the gift shop. Everyone's their place in the day. Watch your step on the way out and hope you have a good rest of your day. A few 100,000 times a day.